Type an address into a self-service tool, and it hands you some demographics, a few business counts, a traffic number. It feels like analysis. It isn't. Those tools look at one variable at a time. They confuse big raw numbers with real concentration, and they leave the hard part, weighing dozens of factors at once, to you. Nobody can do that math in their head. So we turn site selection around. Before you fall in love with the building a broker happened to mention, Tupll finds the most profitable zones in a market and gives you a revenue prediction score. Then, you and your real estate team go find what's actually available in the zones worth winning. The parcel, the zoning, the build, the getting in and out. The last mile stays with your team. We stay in our lane. Here's what years of client data keep showing us. About 80% of a location's success is the neighborhood, who lives around it, and what businesses operate there. The rest is how well you run it and how easy it is to reach. Put the best manager in the easiest parking in the middle of the desert, and you still fail. The neighborhood is the bet. And it's built on your numbers, not generic averages. Give us 3 to 5 years of revenue for your existing locations and their addresses. That's all we need. We test 30 to 60 factors at every radius band, throwing what doesn't matter out for your brand, and running several machine learning tools together into a single predictive score. It's predictive, not a snapshot, and it's custom because your customers aren't anyone else's. We show our work. You see what the model includes, what it deliberately leaves out, and the factors behind every score. So when someone in the room asks, "Where did this number come from?" you can answer. During the build, we hold data back and test the model against locations it hasn't seen, then tighten it until the error is small. We will never hand you a number you can't describe or explain. One client has used this for 15 years and grown from a handful of states and stores to dozens more stores in 8 states, and still counting. When a company 3 times their size acquired them, the 2 companies compared methods and switched to ours. And when we look back, our predictions land in a tight range. The misses almost always trace to something specific, like a weak manager. You get a market heat map, a scorecard for every location, and an executive summary built to defend a decision, not drown you in data. We build your model once, in about 3 weeks, then score new locations whenever you need them. If you run a multi-location brand and the next location actually matters, tell us how many you're weighing. We'll take it from there.